Good morning, students. Welcome to computer class. Today we will continue our first chapter, Introduction to a Computer. First of all, we'll recall the things that we did learn from our previous videos. In our previous video, we have learned about computer, a smart machine. Why we call computer a smart machine? Because it helps us to do various things. Like it helps us to type letters, play music and song on it. It helps us to solve mathematical problems. It helps us to do many things. So we call it smart machine. And we have learned about working of a computer. As we know, computer works on principle of IPO cycle. It takes input from user using input devices. Now what is user? Users are the person who is using computer. So if you are using computer, then you are user. So it take an input from user, process on it and produce output. Input, processing, output. It take the input from input devices like keyboard and mouse are input devices. Then it process on input. So CPU is our processing device. CPU will process on input and it produce output and display it on output devices. Here monitor, speaker, printer, they are output devices. We got output on output devices. So today we are going to learn about features and limitations of computer. Today we are going to learn about features and limitations of computer. So let's start with features of computer. Speed, accuracy, memory, diligence, versatility and reliability. I repeat, speed, accuracy, memory, diligence, versatility and reliability. These are the features of computer. Now let's learn these features in detail. So let's start with speed. It works very fast. Computer works very fast. Computer has very high speed. Computer has very high speed. Now, how we will find the speed? How do we know at which speed computer is working? As we having measuring unit for other things like we measure liquid in liter and milliliter, we measure weight in gram and kilogram. Same way we can measure a speed of computer in MIPS. The speed at which computer operates can be measured in MIPS. MIPS stands for millions instructions per second. MIPS, the speed at which computer works, stands for millions instructions per second. So computer works very fast at very high speed. Now let's learn about accuracy. Computer is an accurate machine. Computer is an accurate machine. It can do calculation without any mistakes. It can do calculation without any mistake. See student, when we are doing some work, that time as being human we can do mistake, but computer is a accurate machine. It cannot do any mistake. But a computer gives incorrect result when incorrect input is fed. A computer gives incorrect result when incorrect input is fed. It means if we will give incorrect input, then and then only it gives us incorrect result. Otherwise, it is an accurate machine and it cannot do any mistakes. Now, let's learn about memory. Computer can store huge amount of data and information in its storage space, which is called memory. A computer can store huge amount of data and information in its storage space, which is called memory. See students, we can also store data in our memory. It means we remember the things in our mind, that is called memory. So computer can also store data and information in its storage space, and this storage space is called memory. But we can remember a limited things. After some time or after time goes, we forgot that things, but computer store everything for a long period of time. So that is memory of computer. It has a hard disk that store data and information. A computer has a hard disk that stores data and information. So we can say that computer can store a huge amount of data and information compared to humans. Now next one is diligence. Computer can work continuously for hours without getting tired. Computer can work continuously for hours without getting tired. But as being human, if we work for hours, we get bored and tired. But computer is a diligence machine, so it cannot get bored and tired after doing work for hours. The speed and accuracy level of computer remain the same. The speed and accuracy level of a computer remain the same even after it works for many hours. Even after it works for many hours. For example, when we are playing game on computer for many hours, it will play with the same speed and same accuracy. When we are playing game on computer for many hours, it will play a game with the same speed and same accuracy. So it is a diligent machine. Now it is one of the most reliable machine today. It is one of the most reliable machine today. Now let's learn about versatility. It can perform various types of job at the same time with the same speed and accuracy. It can perform various types of job at the same time with the same speed and accuracy. As being human, we can do only one task at the time. If we try to do more than one task, that time we can make mistake and we can get confused also. But computer can do various types of job at the same time with the same speed and accuracy. So we can say that computer is a versatile machine. Reliability. It never leaves a work half done and always complete its work. Computer never leave its works half done. It always completes its work because computer is a reliable machine, so it always complete its works. It never leaves the work half done. So these are the features of computer. Now let's learn limitations of computer. A computer has many limitations. It does not have feelings. It never feels happy, bored, or tired. See, computer is a machine, so it does not have any feelings. We are human beings, so sometimes we feel happy, sometimes we feel bored, sometimes we feel tired. But computer is a machine, so it do not have any feelings, so it never feels happy, bored, or tired. It cannot learn on its own. Its knowledge and working capabilities are limited to the program installed on it. It cannot learn on its own. See, computer is a machine, so it cannot learn on its own. But we can learn by our own. But computer cannot learn on its own. Its knowledge and working capabilities are limited to the program installed on it. It having the knowledge, whatever the program we have installed on it, it having a knowledge and working capability limited to that only. It cannot take decisions on its own. It works as per the given instruction. See, computer is a machine, so it cannot take its own decision, and it works as per the instruction. So if we start the computer and if we are not giving an instruction to a computer, so computer is not going to do anything. It is stay like it on only, but it can't do anything by its own. It works on instructions. It depends on us for care. Computer depends on us for care. See, computer is a machine, so it cannot take care of its own. We have to take care of computer, like we have to clean it to keep it free from dust. We have to keep at cool and dry place to keep it safe. So computer can't take care on its own. We have to take care of computer. And the last one, it cannot think. It works on the set of instruction provided to it. Computer is a machine, so computer cannot think. It works on the set of instructions provided to it. So if we give some task to do to a computer, then and then only the computer will work. Otherwise, it will not work. So computer can't think. It don't having any brain. It having a brain, artificial brain, but to make it work, we have to give some instruction. So these are the features and limitations of computer. Now we will learn types of computer in our next video. Till that time, stay healthy, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you, students. Bye.